Dear colleagues, Namaste. We are at the end of this fantastic and wonderful journey of 4 weeks online FDP on effective use of ICT tools in teaching learning. Dear colleagues, let us have the quick recap of this fourth week contents that we have seen in this week. In this session, the learners will be able to recall all the key concepts discussed in week 4. Use the discussion forum for learning through the discussion with colleagues and prepare to submit the assignment or task 4 in this week. Dear colleagues, in fourth week of advanced and digital pedagogy, we have seen free software tools for online teaching in module 4.1. Module 4.2, we have seen how to create effective e-content for e-learning purpose. Module 4.3 was on student response system where we have seen Mentimeter. Module 4.4 was on Plickers, while Module 4.5 gave you the information on implementation of Kahoot. Module 4.6 was creation of online quiz using Testmos, while Module 4.7 gave you the knowledge regarding creation and conduction of event, that is webinar. Module 4.8, we have seen creation of online real-time quiz using My Quiz. And the last module, 4.9, was on implementation of modern tools in teaching. Let us have the quick recap what we have seen in all these modules. Module 4.1 on free software tools for online teaching. We have seen all the free software tools where we can create the images, charts and graphs. We have seen various tools available to create the effective presentations, animations and videos. We have also seen the free software tools by which you can create the blogs, podcasts, chats, assignments, quizzes. Not only that, how to create your own website by using the free software tool we have seen. We have come across various free learning management systems that can be used for our teaching learning process. We have seen various online platforms by which we can have synchronous teaching as well as asynchronous teaching, and we have seen some free software tools for designing MOOCs. So the module 4.1, which was divided into 3 parts, have covered virtually all free software tools that are available for online teaching. After this, we have covered module 4.2, where we have seen how we can create effective e-content for e-learning process. We have seen how we can create the effective presentations by using various softwares like that of PowerPoint, Prezi. We have seen how we can use the animations for effective e-learning content to be developed. Then we have seen how we can create the effective videos using free softwares like Screencast-O-Matic, OBS, and even we have seen how we can edit those by the video editing softwares like OpenShot or Shortcut. Dear colleagues, we have also seen how we can create our effective blog by using free software. We can even have our own podcast by using Buzzsprout. Then we can edit it by using Audacity. So The module 4.2 was all about how we can create the e-content effectively. Then we moved to 4.3, where we have seen Mentimeter as a student response system. Now you can get the response to your question in Mentimeter, where you will get real time responses displayed on the screen. So it is a interactive student response system. The students will enjoy this type of student response system because whatever responses are given, those are displayed on the screen. Then we move towards 4.4, and we have seen how Plickers can be used for student responses. The Plicker boards can be taken into the hands by the students and teacher can scan it through mobile. But during this lockdown period, even Plickers can be used now at home through the laptop. So they have also started. So you can use Plickers now in this situation also. Now, module 4.5 was on implementation of Kahoot, where you can have these games or quizzes to be played. Then in 4.6, we have seen how we can use test modes for 50 questions, and maximum 100 participants can participate and give a real time quiz where you can display the leader on the leaderboard. Module 4.7 has told you how you can create a event called as webinar. So various softwares which are available to conduct webinar were discussed into this module, and you have seen how you can use GoToWebinar. In module 4.8, my quiz was used to create an online real-time quiz. Then the last module of this week was on implementation of all these model tools in teaching. There we have seen it is not sufficient only to learn, but whatever we have learned through this course, we should implement it. And once these strategies are implemented in the classroom, we have to evaluate whether the student learning outcomes have been achieved. So with this, module 4.9, week 4, as well as the whole course has came to an end. After completion of all these modules, we will be going to a discussion forum for peer learning. In this discussion forum, a question has been posted. You are going to click on add a new topic. Once you click on it, you are going to write your answer and then you are going to submit by clicking post to forum. Let's see how we can do it. Now you can see here the discussion forum. The question has been asked: discuss any other advanced and digital pedagogy you have come across or used apart from presented in this week. If not, then discuss regarding which digital pedagogy you will use in the classroom or through online mode in this week. So you can click on add a new topic and then you will be shown this screen. So you can write any subject regarding advanced and digital pedagogy, and you can write a answer to the question as a message over here, and then you can post it to forum. Once you post it to forum, then you have to go and see the reply of 2 peers and post your reply to them. Now let's see the graded assignment, that is task 4. You will find that graded assignment is given as follows. Design any one activity on digital and advanced pedagogy that you have learnt in week 4. From module 4.1 to 4.9, any activity you feel that you can do, you are free to do that activity. So implement this activity in your online classroom. But once you do that, you have to take the feedback on activity using any of the student response system. And then you are going to submit the presentation containing photos or video of implementation of activity. Now, once your presentation or video is ready, share it, upload it on Google Drive and share its link in given text box. I hope that you have understood this graded assignment. You are going to implement any one activity that you have learned in this week. Once this activity has been done by you, get even the feedback using any of the student response system, and both of these should be included into your PowerPoint presentation or video. Here we are not giving any rubrics on which your activity will be judged, because this time we want you to include the creativity of yours. Be creative, do your activity, and we will see how differently you can perform without rubrics. I hope that you have understood this graded assignment, and I wish you all the best for completing this week 4. Thank you, dear colleagues. I wish you happy learning, and I hope that whatever you have learned through this 4-week long journey, you will implement, and we all together will bring revolution in teaching learning process. Thank you, dear colleagues.